Welcome to my YouTube channel, crochet underscore nas, and we will make a one lace. First, we will take a 12 chain, and in that slip stitch. After that, 20 single crochet in a round. Again, slip stitch. After slip stitch, second row single crochet all round. All round single crochet, complete the round after slip stitch. We make 10 chain, single crochet in fifth stitch, single crochet in fifth stitch, and again start 13 single crochet in a row, and again second row will make single crochet, 13 single crochet again. Accordingly we will make all the round. Make 10 chain in 5 stitch, fifth stitch, again single crochet, repeat same pattern, and after all 13 or single crochet, again single crochet, last single crochet we can take, and again we repeat 13 crochet on second round. Repeat all design like this only, you will understand. I hope you are clear about my design, my pattern. You please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much. Make all design like this only, in this way, means you have to repeat all the pattern like this only. If you have any question, any query regarding design, you can comment and ask. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is the final look of my design. Okay, this is crochet lace, you can use crochet hairband, you can use. So all types we can use this design. Okay, hairband, crochet lace, accordingly we can use. Okay.